that combo gonna be unstoppable. That combo gonna be unstoppable. Watch. Thank you. Hear me out. Watch. Let me see if I'm right. Right? Just bread. That was just bread. Hold on. I was right. Coco bread with the cheese. I might want another one. What's that? Chicken sandwich. What? Chicken sandwich. You can put chicken in the cocoa bread? Yeah. What? Chicken sandwich. Wait, I didn't know. They ain't tell me that. Wait, you can put chicken in the cocoa bread? You can put chicken in the cocoa bread? Can I try that? Can I try that one? Chicken in the... No. No, he had like a chicken sandwich. No. He had a chicken sandwich. That dude out there had a chicken sandwich. He had a chicken with a cocoa bread inside of it. He had chicken? Yeah. Oh, that's next door? Oh. That's next door. You gotta try that chicken sandwich here.
The Caribbean, bro. This is the final boss right here. I'm about to give you a wicked flip-off competition. Test me. Watch it. final boss.
Jamaican Spider-Man.
Final boss of the
I
camp.
approve you to be a Jamaican Spider-Man.
And the final boss.
He not bad. He not bad. You not bad. He not bad. GG's. GG's. Excuse me. Can I have
The chicken sandwich you want?
Yeah, can I have a chicken sandwich with cocoa bread?
The chicken sandwich ready?
Yo, these kids crazy. They almost took my mic. One of them, bro.